half a gallon didn't mean nothing.
Happened
Just like
what?
this, Dorothy, straight up.
Isn't that something? God bless you.
So,
Like, well, hey, you know, you had good times.
You better believe it,
Hey,
though.
that's the
Yeah.
main thing, you know?
yeah, it was good times.
You betcha, honey.
Well, Ray could drink, he could drink straight shot like that, not even
Well, that's-
tasted.
that-
But then
like
his
this, that's
brother-
water glasses.
They were alcoholics,
Who?
Ray's brothers.
Oh, you really?
Are you
Oh,
kidding? That
yeah.
time we went to,
I didn't know them. I have
we went
never.
to,
Ray was the only one that wasn't an alcoholic.
I'll be
we
damned.
went
But they all
to,
drank.
we went to, Joe Lazaz, his father was there. And Ray says, yeah, you know my brother, what was his name?
Frank.
Frank.
My brother Frank, that son of a bitch, that drunken son of a bitch. Well, that's
Is that what he was really calling him?
Oh, yeah.
His brother Frank was,
He was an alcoholic.
and so was his brother Ed,
Yeah, they were all
and
alcoholics.
so was his sister.
You mean they all were?
Jack was the only one, huh?
Jack was the worst.
And his cousin,
No,
Ed,
Jack didn't
Ed,
drink.
Ed. Jack, yeah.
and his cousin owned the liquor store there, and that's where.
That's Jack.
Yeah, yeah.
And Jack didn't own the liquor store, did he?
Yeah, we had in Richmond.
Ed.